Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram live option not showing, or Instagram live problem, or Instagram live option not working error on Android phone. So let's directly jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your phone once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now check if the live option on Instagram is working or not. If not, you should also check whether there is internet fluctuation or so. If so, you are suggested to check if the internet is stable or not. If not, you are suggested to restart your router once if you are using Wi-Fi, or go to mobile data or do vice versa, and then check if the Instagram live option is working or not. If not, you are also suggested to check if the Instagram app needs any kind of update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option here, you have to search for Instagram and open it, and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Instagram app to the latest version, and after that launch the app and then check if live option is working or not. If not, should force stop the app once. For that, click and hold the icon over here. Now click on app info. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. After that, check if it's working. If not, you are also suggested to clear the cache of the particular app. For that, click on storage and cache and then click on clear cache. After that, check if it's working. If the issue still occurs, you should also check for the camera permission. So go to the permissions option, and here you should check if the camera permission is allowed or not. If not, you have to allow the camera and then try to check if the live option on Instagram app is working or not. If not, you are also suggested to use a VPN service. So if Instagram's live streaming feature is generally available worldwide, so live features can be restricted or blocked in some regions. So for that, you can use a VPN app. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for VPN, and you will get lots of VPN apps. Install any one of them and change the location, and after that check if Instagram live option is working or not. If not, or if the issue still occurs, then you are suggested to report the issue to the Instagram help center, or simply contact the Instagram support. So for that, open Instagram app. Now after clicking on the three lines over here, now go below. Here I have to click on help option. Now click on report a problem. Click on report problem, then click on, and here you have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across. Explain everything in details, or if you have a screenshot, you can also mention it over here. And after explaining everything, click on the send option. So this will report the issue to the Instagram help center, and after sending it, you have to wait for some time until you get the Instagram team's response. Hopefully they will look into the issue and they will try to resolve it from their end. So through these methods, you can easily resolve Instagram live option not showing or not working issue on Android phone. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.